There's not much more annoying than creaky stairs, but there are a couple of easy ways to fix this problem, so keep watching to find out how to silence the creak. And for a full list of tools and materials used in this video, check out the description below. Pull up your carpet or runner from the stairs. If you've got carpet rods, unscrew and remove these. This carpet was installed with adhesive, so we just pulled it away from the stairs. If your carpet has been installed using carpet grippers, pull it away from the edges with a flat pry bar. You'll also need to remove the gripper on the tread, doing this carefully to make sure it comes away in one piece. Little tip, if the carpet has been laid in more than one piece, make a note of each piece's location to make refitting it later on easier. Now, creaking is usually due to the joints between the risers, which are the vertical parts of your stairs, and treads, the parts you step on, being loose. This separation may not be visible, so put your weight on the step to see if it creaks. If the issue lies underneath the front of the tread, use a combination square to measure how far back the riser sits. Take this number and add approximately 10 mm to ensure you drill into the middle of the riser, then measure this distance from the front of the tread. Mark this measurement 3 times across the step. Drill pilot holes into these marks and drive a 50 mm screw into each hole. The gap between the tread and riser will close up as you screw, and make sure to clean up any sawdust as you go. Gaps at the back of the tread are a little trickier to fix. For this, you'll need to use the glue and screw method. First, create a 50-50 mix of water and PVA glue. Pour the mix along the crack using a paintbrush to brush it into the gaps. As it's watered down, it should flow easily into the gaps. Little tip, if you've discovered a larger gap, use stronger expanding glue. You'll now need to screw the back of the tread and top of the riser together. Drill a pilot hole about 20 mm from the back of the tread, making sure to drill diagonally so that it catches the bottom of the riser. The damage on our stairs requires us to do this 3 times, but yours may require more or less depending on the damage. Use 50 mm screws to bring the 2 surfaces together and leave the glue to set overnight. For a carpet installed with adhesive, reapply the adhesive to your stairs and press the carpet or runner down with a carpet chisel. If yours was installed using grippers, hammer the grippers back into their original position, reattach the underlay with staples, and place the carpet back onto the stairs, pushing it back into the carpet grippers. And that's it! Now you won't have to hear annoying creaks every time you walk up and down your stairs.